Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market. Got a few things to show you. First of all, got this hydrant wrench. It's brass. I paid $5 for it. I tried to get it for less, but the guy just wouldn't go down. I started to walk off, and I thought, you know, I better go ahead and get it, because it's one of those I would have been thinking about it as I was going home. Okay, Masano 158. This was $4. The guy wanted 5. I was told it's a for gas lines back in maybe possibly like the 40s. GE Moody Co. I haven't looked it up yet, so I'm just going by what they said. And I got this stove wrench for $2. The Bucks Stove and Range Co. I got this. This was my second try at buying this wrench a couple weeks ago. I tried to buy this and the guy wanted 5. This week I got it for 3. It's stuck in place there. BNC. Heavy duty, really heavy duty. Number 80, 12-inch. Adjustable wrench. Really cool. Got a hook spanner. SK. That one was $2. I got this one today, and I had this one for a while, and I didn't know what it was. And ended up finding a guy who used these on the job. He worked at a winery, and they had the big tanks, and on those tanks they had valves. He said they would use this to take the valves off and run lines. So I'm not sure exactly how they did that, but that's the basics of this tool. And it's brass. And I have 2 of them. And I got a plumb bob from the same guy. I got this for $1. And I got this for $1 as well from the same guy. Pretty heavy plumb bob, made in USA. Let's see what we got. USA tape, made in USA. Really cool. Not very sharp on the end anymore. And I got a few hammers. This one picked up for $1. I'm trying to remember. Let's see. Ohio Forge 61300. Just never heard of that. I thought for $1 I'll take a chance, look it up. It's got a fiberglass handle on it. And I got a couple of Vagons. This Vagon's the one with the magnetic area where you can put the nail, and it's magnetized. Here's the other one, painted yellow and purple. I don't know about that. And let's see. Oh yeah, $2. That was $1, and this one was $2. And then the jackpot here was each one of these were $1 in a box. I didn't know what they were, but they were. There's all these little strange tools in there, and it's this sort of wrench. I found out it's a surgical wrench. If you look up Neodent on eBay, you'll find that these have sold for like $300, especially the wrench, $300 and up. And here's a bunch of the parts for it. So it was a really good score for $2. You know, I got cut off there, but anyway, $300 to continue to the end here. That was it. Oh, I have one last thing. I picked up these pins for $1. Aladdin. These are like casino pins, like from the Aladdin Casino and Hotel. So for $1, I thought I'd pick them up and see if they're worth anything. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.